So today I am going to be making pumpkin punch. So here I got my pumpkin cut up in some water. And for the pumpkin, you're gonna need some ingredients. You're gonna need sweeteners. You're gonna need spices. For my sweeteners, I'm gonna use sugar and condensed milk. Now you're gonna sweeten to taste. So however sweet you want it, that's the amount you put in. And the spices, I have here nutmeg, cinnamon, and ground allspices. Now you can use all three together or each by itself. I'm gonna use nutmeg. I love nutmeg. And you're gonna need some for the creaminess. The pumpkin is somewhat creamy, and this will add some more creaminess to it. So you can use Ensure. You can use this. This is the equate version of Ensure, and you can use Supplicant also for the Jamaicans, and Guinness. So that gives it a stout, because you know milk and stout goes very good together. Let's say you don't have any Ensure. For my Jamaicans, you could use a good old vanilla Lasco. Yeah. So I'm gonna boil the pumpkin until it's soft. So now that it's boiled, see it's all soft and gushy. You're gonna let it cool. So now that my pumpkin is boiled and soft, I'm gonna put it in my blender and put all my ingredients in. So here I'm adding some condensed milk. I know that seems like a lot, but hey, don't judge me. My Guinness. Everything here there's no standard. It's just however you want it to taste. When you're blending it, you can add more, you can take away more. There goes my Ensure. A little sugar, oh my god. I could taste the diabetes already. My nutmeg. And some cinnamon, the cinnamon. And I'm gonna give this a blend. Oops, wrong way. And there we go. You see how it's nice and thick and looking. Give it a taste test. Ooh wee! Beautiful. Here you have it, guys. Yummy pumpkin punch. Look at the texture, it's nice and creamy.